Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I decided to make this channel all about, AI and how AI is going to revolutionize our world. If not destroy it, probably. I have no idea, but this stuff is absolutely crazy. The latest stuff to really hit the market right now that is just blowing everybody's heads is ChatGPT, right? You know what? You probably heard it. A lot of, especially older generation, they just sort of don't understand it. They, goes over their head. But let me just tell you something. Out of all my years living on this earth, okay, I have never seen something so powerful given to, basically you and me, okay, to the regular citizens. This stuff is powerful. I had no idea. I had no idea it was here already. And you gotta wonder, big companies have probably been using this software now for a while now, right? If it's free for us to use, you could only imagine. So a lot of you guys see these basically all these stories, ChatGPT, blah blah blah. Look, this one says why schools want to ban it, and you say, okay, what's the big deal? Well, let me tell you something. It is revolutionary. Look, if you want to find out what it does, you just Google ChatGPT. You're going to come up to the first link right here, openai.com/blog/GPT. You're going to click on this. It's going to then prompt you here. You're going to say, try GPT. You're going to make an account or whatever. And once you're all done with that, you're going to end up here in this, basically this chat box. And right here, you could ask ChatGPT to basically write you whatever you want. I'm talking, it could write you code, right, to build a website. It could write you models. It could write you budgets. If you want to do a budget for a catering company, it could, make you business proposals. It could write you whatever you want. So, for example, I just said business proposals, right? I said a bunch of stuff, but let's just say I want ChatGPT to make me a business proposal for a cupcake company. Okay, let me type that in and let's see what it spits out. Look at it go, guys. It starts with executive summary. It gives me a nice little paragraph. It's doing all this basically. Look, I don't even have to do any research. I could literally come in here, switch a few words here and there, add sort of my, my specific, details about this. But for the most part, it is completely done. You're watching this be done in front of your eyes. So think about like all the corporate offices, right? How many, jobs are out there for copywriters or for people who write things like this, right? They're basically going to be out of a job. Look, I just wrote business proposal for a cupcake company and they gave me an entire business proposal. Again, I could add to this. I could say, hey, you know what? Talk a little bit about, XYZ, and it's going to basically, recreate it, rewrite certain sections. But it's insane, right? You could ask it to basically do anything. What else do you want to see it do? Let's see. Okay, let's just say you own a travel company, like a travel excursion company, and you're trying to, sell more jet ski excursions, right? So let's say you have a website or an email blast or whatever it is that you want to do. You want to do a paragraph that promotes your jet ski adventure. Let's see what it writes. I asked, create a short paragraph promoting jet ski rentals for hotel excursions for tourists. That's not even a good sentence. And look at this. It writes, looking for a thrilling and unforgettable experience during your vacation? Look no further than our jet ski rentals. Perfect for exploring the coast, getting some sun, blah, blah, blah. Can you guys see what's happening here? This is literally revolutionizing our world, right? And this is just text. So who is, at this point, like, who's most to get affected by this? I would say schools. That's why whenever you see all these stories, it's all about schools, because this stuff literally does your homework for you. Right? You could say, write me an essay on whatever, right? And it's going to write you that essay in seconds. So check this out. This is just insane. Why is this going to destroy the school system? Because look, education system. Look, I wrote, write a short essay about Independence Day in the United States with sources. And just right there, before my eyes, it basically wrote the entire essay. Guys, everyone, should we be worried about this? I could tell you that in the next year, 1 year from now, this world is going to be completely different, okay? Because now that the regular Joe has access to, this software, you can see things are going to start getting really, really wacky. So get ready because a roller coaster of AI is coming. Basically every single aspect of our lives is going to be, changed and by AI. And this is just a chat box. They're doing this for engineering. They're doing this for healthcare. They're doing this like its own version of it, right? Right now, we're just saying, write me whatever. But basically, there's this AI is being put in all sorts of different industries to work with that industry specifics, right? You could literally say, hey, build me a plane that is lighter and stronger, and these programs have literally access to 3D printing machines, and they could literally print you the finished product without you don't need engineers anymore. Basically, that's where we're at right now, guys. It is scary. It's amazing, but it's also scary. I want to hear what you guys think. Is this the end of our society? Are we gonna be basically pets to the robots? Who knows? But please, I want to hear from you. Go ahead, comment down below. This is just absolutely crazy. If you guys like my channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and go ahead and like and leave a comment. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.